for the purpose of your JSS3 BEC exam, this video was made on special request. You'll be asked questions on product of number, expressing product of number as a product of its prime factor. You have to express number as a product of its what? Prime factors. Now, first of all, let me explain what a prime number is. A prime number is a number that is divisible by itself and 1. I'll simply explain what I mean by that. Now, for the purpose of your exam, the very first prime number we have is 2, not 1. Look at the two conditions. A number that is divisible by itself and 1. These are the two conditions. And the very first prime number we are having is 2. And I want to simply tell you why 4 is not a prime number. 4 is not a prime number because 2 persons can share 4. So 4 is not a prime number. A prime number is a number that no other number can divide it without a remainder except itself and 1. 3 is a prime number. Again, 6 is not a prime number. The reason 6 is not a prime number is because 3 persons can actually share 6. 2 persons can actually share 6 without a remainder. So therefore, these are the prime numbers we have. It is enormous, and it is even more than this. You have 31, you have 37, and so on and so forth. Even 101 is also a prime number. Now, with that being said, this is question 14, 2010 of your BEC exam. The question says, express 196 as a product of its prime factors. It's very simple. If the question should come outside as a theory, go straight and pick up your centimeter ruler. I'm going to go straight. You rule your line, ensure your lines is neatly drawn. The next thing you're simply going to do, I'll place the 196 here. Now, this is how we normally do it. These are the numbers you are going to use to divide this 196. If you try to and you discover 2 cannot divide 196, go to the next number. Another mistake students often make again when it comes to this topic is, we know 2 can go into 196. There are other numbers here that can also go into 196. But when you want to divide, always start from the smallest number. It is only when the smallest number cannot go, you can shift to the next. That is the rule. So let's see if 2 should go into 196. Because you are not using calculator, no J3 student is allowed to use calculator. This is how you're simply going to do your rough work. I want to show you how it is done. 2 people share 19. How many will they take and what will be left? If 2 people should share 19, automatically they're going to take 9. It will remain 1. So I'm going to place the 1 right here. Remember, I didn't say J3, you will not be allowed to touch calculator. Now, let 2 people share 16. It's going to give me 8. So, therefore, you can see that if 2 should go here, I'm going to have 98. So, I'll simply erase this rough work. You can see how to divide with that calculator. Next, let's also check again if 2 can go. If 2 can go, you continue. Can 2 go into 98? Yes. If 2 should go into 98, oh, uncle, they didn't give me calculator. How should I do it? Come here again, your rush sheet of paper and say 2 into 9. I'm simply going to have 4. Remember how many? Remaining 1. I'll put the 1 here. 2 into 18 will give me 9. So automatically here becomes 49. So up next, can 2 go into 49 without the remainder? No. Can 3 go into 49 without the remainder? No. Can 5 go into 49 without the remainder? No. So the next thing I'm simply going to do here, I'll move to this number 7. Can 7 go into 49? Yes. Without the remainder. So if 7 should go into 49, remember 7 times 7 is 49. So here becomes 7. Again, if 7 should go into 7, it becomes 1. The moment here gets to 1, you're going to stop. So your final answer becomes, you are going to look for that option that says 2 times 2 times 7 times 7. And this automatically becomes your answer. This is solution to question number 1. You can clearly see how it is done. Now, for question number 2, the question says express 28 as a product of its prime factor. You're going to go straight and draw with your centimeter ruler a line neatly drawn. I'm going to place the 28 right here. The next thing you're simply going to do, go to your prime numbers, and these are the prime numbers we have. Can 2 go into 28? If yes, then you take it first. 2 into 28 is going to give us 14. Again, look for another number in here that can go into 14. We know here 7 can go, but you are not allowed to use the 7. Reason being that if you have a smaller number that can go, you must use that number first. So let's see, 2 into 14. Automatically I'm going to have a 7 here. Can two go into 7 without a remainder? No. Can 3 go? No. Can 5 go? No. But 7 can. So automatically, once here becomes 1, you stop. My final answer becomes 2 times 2 times 7, and this becomes the solution to problem 2. Now assignment, you have to solve question 1, 2, 3 and express the following as a product of its prime factors. Thank you.